In this video, I'm going to teach you how to stealth kill in Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. One of the perks that you can get in Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 is a stealth kill. As the name suggests, you will show up behind whoever you want to assassinate and you will kill them with a single blow. So the very first thing that you must do is go into your player skills or perks, and in here you will find the stealth 3. Make sure that you have the stealth kill perk unlocked. You will only be able to perform these stealthy takedowns if you have this skill unlocked. So go into skills, choose stealth, and make sure that you unlock stealth kill. With this done, the other requirement that you need is a dagger. It doesn't need to be a specific dagger, any dagger will do, but you can only perform the stealth kill by using this particular weapon. So make sure that you have a dagger equipped on your character. Once you have the stealth kill perk unlocked and you have the dagger equipped, when you show up behind any character, any NPC, you will see this option available at the bottom right. Of course, if you are on a controller, this button is going to be different. By using this, you will be able to perform a quick skill check and perform the stealth kill. So press and hold this button while you are behind the person that you want to assassinate. An animation will play out. You will grab them by the neck and your dagger is going to appear over here at the top right, and you will stab them in the neck. So all that you have to do is show up behind them, press and hold this stealth kill button that you currently have set up, and when you see this blue sword appear, just press the attack button. So, for example, if you are on PC, it is most likely going to be mouse 1. If you change this keybind, then press the appropriate button. But as long as you press the left mouse button or the attack button when this blue sword appears, you will be able to assassinate them. Sometimes there might be a skill check if you are trying to assassinate an enemy who is stronger than you, and instead of seeing the blue swords, you will see the green shield icon. They will try to deflect your hits, so you retaliate by pressing the right mouse button instead, or whatever key or button that you have set to deflect the attack, and you must pass the skill check in order to assassinate if the enemy tries to fight back. I hope I was able to help you on how to stealth kill in Kingdom Come Deliverance 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.